Okay, this student did not pass the road test because they committed a violation on the test. They went 64 in a 50 zone. So V for violation. They also got marked for C2, which is rolling stop. So generally speaking, rolling stop is an automatic fail, but maybe the examiner was trying to see if it was going to happen again, or if it was a very minor rolling stop, and they're like, you know what, if they do everything else correctly on the test, maybe I'll let it go. B10, so stopping position. This is tied to the same thing. Sometimes students overshoot the stop line and then they don't even bother stopping, or they think they stopped but they didn't stop. So it's all kind of tied to the same thing here. C2, again, they got marked twice for that. So this was starting to become an issue. B10, again, overshooting the stopping position. But the thing that got them is just under general drive is the violation, right? Going too fast in a particular zone. They also, again, wrote here, C2, rolling stops. Make a full initial stop behind the white line and or stop sign. So we have to make a full stop. That is usually an automatic fail. One time is too many. But this wasn't really the thing that the examiner focused on. It was the speeding aspect of this test. If they weren't speeding, they could have still got them on the rolling stop. So just be mindful. There's no rush to try to quickly get going again. Make that full stop. Make sure your car has lost all its momentum, all of its speed before you proceed again.